Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set print speed in PrusaSlicer. So look at the top right corner of your screen and we will select here if you have beginner mode on, switch to the expert mode. So this is the first thing. Now click on the print settings tab at the top left corner, print settings, you will see it. Look at the sidebar on the left side of the page and click on speed. Alright. Now we have here bunch of options. So what we need to select here. So the first one here, perimeters, we have the speed for the outer walls. So we can lower this for smoother, prettier surface finish. So we can put it something like that, for example. Then we have small perimeters. Uh, the the speed for tiny holes or tight curves. So you can change here some numbers or leave it like it is. Then we have external perimeters, the very outermost wall that you see on the finished print. We can slow this down all the way to the 40 millimeters per second for the best visual quality. Then we have infill, the speed for the hidden pattern inside the print. You can usually make this quite fast to save printing time. So let's leave it here on 300 millimeters per second. Then we have solid infill, top solid infill, the speed for the bottom and top flat ceilings. Slow down the top solid infill so your top surface is flat and smooth. So we can lower this one, for example. And then we have here, travel. So this one is basically how fast the tool head moves when it's not squeezing out plastic. So high speed saves time but can cause vibrations. So we can lower this a little bit, let's say 250. Now, I think this is pretty much everything that we can change here. We have also here max print speed. Uh, so this is the higher than your fastest target speed. And we also have here, is it? No. So yeah, this is basically pretty much everything that it's worth to change or to look a little bit and adjust. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the